Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Hans Kitchen. I often close from work by 5 p.m. And guys, as you know, the traffic in Accra will delay you big time. By the time I get home, it's quite late and I'm quite hungry and tired. So I whip up something quick to fill my belly. It's simple yet delicious, healthy yet inexpensive. Cause Charlie guys, as a national service personnel, 559 there and yes, crowd. That is when the new and improved Tasty Tom Jollof Mix comes in. It contains all the pepper, ginger, garlic, tomatoes and everything I need to make my tasty jollof in a jiffy. Let's get it started. Pour in your vegetable oil into your saucepan. Add your chopped onions and give it a good stir for some few seconds. There goes in my beef, my diced garlic and ginger. Give it a good stir to combine properly. Add my red powdered pepper, my spice of choice and my paprika. Give it a good stir for some few seconds as well. There goes in my new and improved Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Give it a good stir to combine. Allow it to simmer on low heat for some few seconds. Add your seasoning cube of choice. Give it a good stir to combine properly and add in your uncooked rice. Give it a good stir as well. After a good stir, add in enough water to cook your jollof. I've got this frozen coconut milk in my fridge. I will be adding it at this point in time to give it a bit of uniqueness to my Tasty Tom Jollof. Give it a good stir. Add your salt to taste. Cover it and allow it to cook. After 45 good minutes, guys, my jollof is ready. Guys, it's ready. It smells so nice. So I'll be enjoying this with my tolo beef and fried plantain. Guys, it's very nice. I just love the lower spice content. Very good for everybody. Fat jollof no who me. Sharp.